Hey, it's Melissa with Sincerely Creative Mom. We are here in the How to Make Wreaths group. I'm working with a 14-inch grapevine, a little different than what we normally do, and these cute little Easter picks that have a lot going on. We have 5 of these. So this that I have here is a pick machine. If you've never used it, have it, seen it, it's a really cool thing. So what it does is this, I wanted to, instead of just, I'm just going to go ahead, let me just take this one off here. Instead of just putting this in there, because it's a really cool looking piece. Kind of looks like a tree almost. But instead of, you know, there isn't really much to it to put this in there. So I thought maybe I would just do individuals. So I'm just going to pull these off here. Super easy. This, oopsie. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Making something super cool. Hopefully you saw the video of last night's grapevine in the coaching group. So fun. I loved that one. So I figured while I'm in the grapevine mood, we'll just kind of continue with something in here. Okay, so we're gonna form just a round thing going on here. Anyway. Just, so these come longer, they're long. I just cut them off so that I don't have to slide in the whole entire thing. I'm going to turn this into nice long. See how we did that? So I think we're going to go just like that, add a little bow. All the stuff. Good. Okay. All right. So let's get our glue going here. Just want to make sure I was good. This is good over here. Okay. All right. Slide it in here. Look at how cute that is. So I left a little nest for my bow, which we're going to make right now. All right, let's do just 3 loops on each side. Let's do that. This rolling. Y'all, if you do craft shows, or you know, if you're selling in lots of different places, sometimes you got to have quick designs that you can make, quick recipes that you can create. Joy, yeah, nice. This one's nice and bright. Nice and bright. I was just talking, I don't even know when I was talking, saying it, but the other day, what did I say, 3? I'm going to do 3. I never, when I was a kid, I used to be always so upset when I ended up with like a yellow or the orange thing. You know, I was like, it just wasn't my color. And now it's so bright. Let's get a zip tie and get that locked in. Nice and tight. So anyway, if you're I mean, even not even if you're selling at craft shows. I keep saying craft shows or in a boutique, because sometimes, you know, you sell out quickly and you got to go home at night and make more, right? Sometimes that actually really does happen. And so you got to have some good recipes up your sleeve for when that does happen. Let's go ahead and let's just use the green because you're not going to see it, and I just want it to kind of blend in a little bit. Although that isn't very, okay, that'll be fine. I like the pipe cleaners that are real sturdy, that are real, not thick, but thicker, you know, so that when I put it through something, it really does go through it nice and easy. Okay, easy bow here, nothing to this bow, nothing, you know, we're not talking about anything super elaborate. We're just super easy bow, nice, quick, and easy. Look at that. Yes, yes, ma'am, yes, sir. This is happening. Okay, I'm just going to slide that right on through. We are going to fill it in a little bit with some smaller fillers. Oopsie, got that right on the egg. It's okay. And this is just going to help fill it. It's going to help just give it some life a little bit. And now you see why I added those picks on it, just so that I can get all the way in there. And they don't sink in too much. I'm just going to make sure I get those right in so that it's, you know, right in touching all those stems, right? I just want to make sure it's touching all those stems. And then these have a longer stem to them. Let's see here. If it's horrible, we can always pull them out or clip them out. Let's see. Oh yeah. Doesn't need it. It doesn't need it, but we are going to add a couple. We'll add 3 on each side. Super quick and easy. Okay, super quick and easy. I'm going to come right up in there. So pretty. There we go. It just gives a different like texture, just a different flow going through here. Adorable. Super duper cute. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Anyways, until next time. Bye y'all.